Alright, so using Autodesk Inventor 2018 to create a checkerboard. So in this tutorial we have our two pieces put together. A couple things I'm going to do. One, I've grounded this piece. You can see it doesn't move, but we're actually going to unground it. So I'm going to right mouse click and take grounded off. Now what happens is that allows this all to move around. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this part here, I'm going to right mouse click on it, and I'm going to go open. I'm going to open it back up, and I don't like the color. So just click here on the light piece, and I click up here on my colors again, and I'm just going to select birch. I think is my nice color that I'm going to use. So I'm going to scroll up here, I'll just find birch natural. Okay, and what I'm going to do right away is click and adjust it so that my grain is running the right way. Okay, for whatever reason I'm just doing it, and click on OK. Whoops, click OK, and then I'm just going to save this right away. Now here's the neat trick. When you go back to the assembly, excuse me, you can see it's changed colors right away. Alright, so now the next part. We're going to highlight all this. We're going to go to copy right here, and we're just going to follow through because we've highlighted the objects already, so we don't have to. Click next. This is just what it's going to rename them. Okay, we're going to hit OK, and now we've got a second set. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll out a tiny bit and move this over. So I scrolled with my in and out with my scroll button, and I moved it by holding my scroll button again. And now I'm going to constrain. So I'm going to constrain this surface here to this surface here. You can see they popped into place, and again it goes to mate. We want it to be flush. Click apply. I'm going to click this surface here to the surface here. You can see they went right away and they mated. So I'm going to hit apply, and then I'm going to hit cancel, and you can see they still go apart. So now I can constrain, zoom in, click the surface, hold the shift key down, rotate it, click that surface, and you can see that they're joined up. Click apply. Okay, and cancel this off. Now I could repeat that process, of just another pair, but it's easier just to highlight the whole group, go to copy, and then we're going to copy the whole batch of it and just complete the process again. There's my next copy, and we've got them done. Repeat it, constrain this surface to this surface. We want to go to flush, hit apply. I'm going to go to this one this time, this one, and I'm going to rotate around and go to that one, and that's the wrong way. So I'm going to go to mate, apply, and then finally this surface and this surface, and we got to go flush and apply, and there you go. So now I have a strip of my checkerboard, and hit cancel, and we're going to stop at this point in the tutorial.